Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 5th June 2022 and the time is 8:15. This is the weekly forecast video, and last week whatever number which we discussed on a weekly forecast, market respected to the core, and Bank Nifty is actually on the dot. Okay, and on trend change date, which happened on 3rd June, exactly it touched our number 35,937, and from there it came down all the way to 35,231, which we mentioned last week forecast. Okay, so you can go to me, maybe you can go here. Okay, so this is my last week forecast. Go and check the number what we discussed. Bang on, market respected those numbers to the core, and I've made the video pranam to market for respecting our numbers on the trend change date, as well as the weekly forecast numbers which we predicted last week. So that is why I don't concentrate more on graph, saying that resistance is here, support is here, and all that. Numbers and time knows everything to do. Your chart patterns, everything will come and join, align with the numbers and the time. So time is the key. So now the time is happened on 3rd June. We have seen a miracle. First 15 minutes high and low did the magic. If you want to know more about this, go to this video and watch this video. And before going, go to this video and see what all numbers we discussed and how market respected those numbers, right? So now a little bit of maybe chart I can show you. But anyway, it is not that kind of stuff. So now let's go to Bank Nifty. On one day, close to below the cloud. Even if it goes inside the cloud, it will be an indecisiveness unless and until it crosses above the cloud, and this lagging span has to come out of all these resistance to come out and give something free air here. Till that time, it is bearish only. And we already talked about in the May month, saying that 19th May was the crucial trend change date, and market made the bottom on 19th. And I was expecting a rally till 19th low is held. 19th May low is held. Possibility of rally till July 15th. And this is what I'm telling for the last 1 month from the May month beginning. And bang on, the low happened on 19th. Date, and that date was predicted much earlier. So kindly you can go and watch those videos which is available in my YouTube, and how the date predicted, and the recent date which we predicted was 25th for Bank Nifty, 25th May for Bank Nifty, and 26th, this is 25th, till it holds 25th low, Bank Nifty, nothing to worry, but break below this low, pain will start again, and most probably it will take out this low also. So watch out. And for Nifty, it is 26th low. That was a trend change date. And now already for the June, 3rd is the key. So now it has to move and close above 3rd June high. And again, 6th is the date, and 8th is very crucial for Bank Nifty. I will try to cover that in the later part of time. So now let's go to the graph. So weekly, definitely below the cloud, bearish. That is daily, and weekly also below the cloud. This is Bank Nifty, right? So now it will not try to break here. Believe me, it will not try to break, because the candle is so big. So a lot of resistance will be there, indecisiveness will be there. It will try to come out and take somewhere near, it will try to break. Watch out. Somewhere near it will try to break out. Till the time it is bearish only. Even if you go to daily, maybe it will try to break out somewhere here when the candle, when it is nearing, it will try to break. Till that time it is bearish. So coming to Nifty, on daily it is below the cloud, and Ichimoku, the support is holding here, break below this lagging span, break below the cloud, it is again a problem. Okay, so now if it goes up, it will, it is a flat formation. So the Nifty is going to be a range bound thing based on Ichimoku. It will again go and touch here. In case if you take the support, it will go and touch this line, and it may, it may even come down. It will try to break the cloud somewhere here, which is 16th June level, and 14th was the very important date of Nifty. Let's watch, that is next week. So that we'll plan out. So I don't want to do a lot of things, talking in graph. I want to talk about numbers. And if you see here, it has taken the cloud, it has taken the trend, line, and it has closed above. So more or less, Bank Nifty also taken that trend line. It is closed above. Let's see whether it is going to give a thumbs up this week and to go move forward or not. It will be decided by third high and the June 6th high, which is Monday. Okay, and hope you know how the trend change did the magic on Friday. Let's hope whether the 6th will be again. It's going to do a magic on Monday. So now I don't want to cover more on the chart because everyone knows that here is the resistance, here is the support, but where to initiate, what is the stop loss? Most of them they won't talk about. So everybody knows, if you take this, everybody knows this is the support. Okay, or this is the resistance, or this is the resistance, or this is the resistance. All this is according to me waste of time. Maybe you can do all that in case if you read charts. We will read charts based on my fortune signals. So now I'll close this. I'll close this. So now watch out this. This is Bank Nifty on 1 hour. This blue color line and red color line will act as a support. And this I've already mentioned in my PPT and I will show it to you. Okay. So if I open this two yellow color line, 35064, 34931.4. You can keep 34931. Okay. Break below this. The next thing is here. Break below this, run away from the market, 34956. Okay. So all that I've already given in my PPT. And even if you go to Nifty, this is again, this is a number which I'm watching out coming week. This blue color line, which is 16,430 to 16,383. This will be the price reversal zone. And I've already mentioned everything in my PPT. So kindly go with that. More or less, I think I don't want to cover more and more of charts. Let's go to the PPT straight away. Okay, so now this date I've already mentioned, and this date high and low already mentioned. So above this buy, below this sell, above this buy, below this sell. Okay, finished. And watch out for these two numbers, which will act as a price reversal zone. See, only take these two numbers and you can trade for the whole month. You don't need any chart. You don't need any chart for that matter. And again, here also take this number and take this number. Initiate a buy here, stop loss this. Initiate a sell here, stop loss this. And whatever stop loss which you can. But now normally we use 5 minutes in fortune signals, and we use 54 points. I use 54 points stop loss and 144 points stop loss in Bank Nifty. And tomorrow I will give the 917. I will give the weekly game changer number for the next week. Okay. So now mark the last week high and low. I clearly mentioned make or break this week. Okay, make or break this week. And this week, Bank Nifty closed at the low. Nifty was a little bit of okay. So mark the high and low of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Last week high and low, break above the high, simply buy, break below the low, simply sell, keep the stop loss. Okay. And this is a very crucial number. This is a very, very crucial number. It closed below. And now the price reversal zone is here. And here below this, it is a problem. And Bank Nifty, I've already mentioned in red. So it is definitely a problem. Let's watch what is happening tomorrow, because first 15 minutes high and low of tomorrow trend change date will do the magic. And third zone below, close below that, 250 points on the downside, above 250 points on the upside. And every time it is working like mad. And people want only 250 points per month, per week. And the one day, that is more than enough. That is why I say don't need to trade every day. Wait for the trend change date and trade only on that day. 250 points guaranteed. Okay, so now 6th June, I've already marked here, first 15 minutes high and low. And wait for my game changer number tomorrow at 917 for the whole week. Okay, so now watch this, very, very crucial. Miracle week for Dow Jones is July 2nd week. The dates are 4th to 8th. Mark this week high and low and see how Dow Jones is going to respect these dates. This week candle. Okay. And for Nifty, it is October 24th to 28th and December 26th to 31st date week high and low. And for Bank Nifty, October 3rd to October 8th and December 26th to 31st. And auto, based on pitchfork, it is made the top, and nothing is shown on the chart on the daily or on the hourly. Looks very bullish. Absolutely no issues. Now the date for Nifty auto, we need to watch this date very, very closely. Then we can identify, in case if it goes below 16th low, then we can think that the top is made in auto. If it breaks the high of 16th June, it's going to be a bumper move. It's going to be a bumper move. But based on pitchfork, top is done. Watch out. Okay. And you all know how Reliance made a miracle move after 30th May, and which I covered in my the first week video also. You can go and check that video. Okay. So now tomorrow, please watch this. Tomorrow, these 6 stocks are having their yearly date. Mark the high and low of these 6 companies of tomorrow. This high and low of tomorrow will be sufficient to trade this stock for the whole year. And people, those who attended my webinar yesterday, they know how to trade this. Okay. So tomorrow, mark this stocks high and low, break below tomorrow's low, go short with the stop loss of tomorrow's high, or break above tomorrow's high, simply buy with the stop loss of tomorrow's low. And this number is valid for entire 2022, game changer date for these stocks. Okay, I've already given, and we already made a thing which we are going to focus tomorrow, which is Siemens and Grasim, and we discussed what we are going to do in the webinar already. So watch these 6 stocks for tomorrow. Okay, and daily numbers I've already given here. Buy above, sell below, all that is here. And for this is for Nifty future, and this is for Bank Nifty future. And clearly mentioned price reversal zone is here. This number, these 2 numbers. Watch out these 2 numbers. Maybe in case if the market opens gap down tomorrow, it may take a support here, or if it breaks above this number for 15 minutes, kindly go long, and I've given the stop loss and I've given the target also. So let's see how it's going to work next week. Coming to Nifty, this will act as a Nifty future. This will act as an resistance, and more or less Nifty future closed somewhere near to this level, 16,605, and our number is 599. See, watch this. Simply put a line in this number. Break above, you can keep 54-point stop loss and run for the week. Break below this number, if it sustains for 15 minutes or even for 1 hour candle, wait for the number to come, wait for the price to come and touch this number, and then 54 points, put the stop loss and enjoy the whole week. This one number is more than enough. No need to go chart, put RSI, MACD, stochastics, and all blah, blah, blah. This one number is enough. Break below this number, support is here. Break below this number, support is here. Once it has taken this number out on the bearish side, run away from the market for June. Simple, right? So these 4 numbers is more than enough. And this number is more than enough for the whole week. And coming to Bank Nifty, all 3 is in bearish. So now watch out how market is going to, or Bank Nifty futures is going to have resistance on these number. This is a weekly number. This one number is more than enough to trade Bank Nifty futures for the whole week. And this one number is more than enough to trade Bank Nifty future for the whole month. Till when, in case if the market comes down, Bank Nifty future comes down to this number, simply buy with the stop loss of 144 points. If the stop loss is hit, wait for it to come and touch the number again. Short here, keep 144 stop loss. That's all. No need to do a lot of analysis. This one number will do the magic. And this week, this one number will do the magic. Anyway, we are going to discuss the same number, what I discussed now, at the end of the week on Friday night. Okay. So now I've already marked these 6 counters, which we need to watch. It's going to be a miracle day or a game changer day for all these 6 stocks. And on 7th, it is PVR, and 8th, it is Hindustan Lever. And this is happening on 11th. Maybe next week we will start. So now you need to focus on this. Okay, and I've already marked the high and low. See, very simple. This is a high, this is a low, which happened on June 1st. Break below this, go short. And as of now, it has already given 70 rupees. Right? Like this, you can use break below this. I don't know, tomorrow, in case if it breaks below, it's already close to below. You may get some more. Right? Simply use this. Chart and all later. Just watch the number, how miracle it's going to. And we have done the webinar yesterday and today morning also, and everybody was amazed to see this, how market respects the time. And that's how it respects the time. Okay, chalo. Nothing more to talk. All the numbers are here. Watch out. Put it in put a horizontal line and see the price action. What happens at that particular number, and take the call. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor. Kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decisions. See you soon tomorrow at 9:07, because our 9:07 is a real magic number to capture at least minimum 100 points in Nifty every day. Thanks a lot. See you soon tomorrow at 9:07. Bye.